All right, let's make classic fish and chips. This is comfort food at its best. Crispy battered fish, golden fries, and you can totally nail it at home. First things first, let's get those chips going. Grab a couple of large russet potatoes. I like to peel them, but you can leave the skin on if you're into that rustic vibe. Slice them into thick fries, about a ½ inch wide. Pop them into a bowl of cold water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This helps get rid of extra starch and makes the fries way crispier. Now, while the potatoes are hanging out, let's talk fish. Go for a firm white fish like cod haddock. Cut the fillets into portions, roughly finger-sized. Pat them dry with some paper towels and season both sides with salt and pepper. Let's get a pot of oil heating up. About 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 Celsius. Always be careful with hot oil. While the oil heats, let's whip up the batter. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a good pinch of salt. Now, grab a cold beer, any light lager works, and slowly pour it in while whisking. You want a thick pancake batter consistency. If you don't do beer, sparkling water totally works. All right, back to those potatoes. Dry them off with a towel, then give them a quick fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. They shouldn't get brown yet. You just want them tender. Scoop them out, crank the oil up to 375 Fahrenheit, and let them rest. Now for the fish. Dust the fillets in a little flour. This helps the batter stick. Dip each piece into the batter, let the excess drip off, then gently slide them into the hot oil. Fry for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning once until they're golden and crispy. Once the fish is done, let it drain on a wire rack or paper towels. Time for the second fry for the chips. Drop them back in at 375 and cook until they're golden and crisp, about 2 to 3 more minutes. Plate it up. A pile of hot chips, a piece of crispy fish, malt vinegar, tartar sauce. There you have it. Homemade fish and chips that'll rival your favorite pub. There you have it. Homemade fish and chips that'll rival your favorite pub. If you liked this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and share with your foodie friends. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.